Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Spaces notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, so you never miss a live conversation again. This is especially useful if you enjoy listening to live discussions, interviews, or community talks. So let's get started. First, open the X app and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon. This will open the sidebar menu. From the sidebar menu, scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. When the additional options appear, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings page where you can control different aspects of your account. On the settings page, tap on Notifications. This section allows you to manage all notification-related preferences. Inside the Notifications menu, tap on Preferences to access more detailed customization options. Next, tap on Push Notifications. Here you'll see a list of different notification categories. Scroll through the options until you find Broadcasts and Spaces. Make sure this option is turned on. This setting allows X to notify you whenever a space goes live. You can also customize how you receive Spaces notifications. For example, you can choose to get notifications for all spaces or only for spaces hosted by people you follow. Adjust these settings based on what works best for you. Once you've enabled and customized your Spaces notifications, your settings are usually saved automatically. If prompted, just make sure everything is confirmed and saved. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Spaces notifications on X. From now on, you'll receive alerts whenever there's a live conversation you might be interested in. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.